today we are here at Igenge in partnership with the Kingdom, and the project we've supported today is initiated by Busoga Kingdom, empowering and supporting a girl child who was produced at a tender age below 18.
One of the things that we identified was the fact that there was no sexual awareness that was given to them early enough to be able to prevent these early pregnancies, and also the fact that the standard of living has prevented them from continuing school.
To live is to care, show some kindness.
We are proud to officially hand over 10 computers. They are all connected with internet for a full year. We've also donated 8 tailoring machines and 10 hairdressing kits. So for the mothers, learn how to plait hair, learn how to manage the hairstyles, and you will be empowered to make money, because those are skills you can do in your home.
We have been facing several challenges like insufficient computers. We have not been having the internet here. We have been using our phones more so, but now we have got the internet, we shall be able to access everything on internet.
So to the teenage mothers, the support is to help you get to learn. So as you learn, as you get empowered, please pass on the message to the other girls, because that's when you raise the leaders of tomorrow.
Get together.